Hello, Pentesters. This is Puneet from Rapid Safeguard back again with another CV video. And in this video, we are going to talk about SaltStack remote code execution vulnerability. Before we start our video, I would like to introduce our platform called World Machines. This platform is for people who are willing to learn about real-time pen testing and CV exploits. So check out this platform and share your feedback. So our first slide is what is SaltStack. So SaltStack, also known as a Salt, and it is a configuration management and orchestration tool. It uses a central repository to provision a new server and other IT infrastructure to make changes to existing ones and install a software in IT environment, including a physical and virtual servers, as well as it uses in a cloud as well. So, Salt is used in a DevOps organization because it pulls the developer code and configuration information from the central repository or central code repository, such as GitHub, and push that content remotely out to the server. So, Salt user can write their own script and program and can download pre-built configuration that other users have contributed to the public repository. So here I have used the configuration management and orchestration. Let's understand these keywords. So let's understand the keyword configuration management. So let's take an example. What is the configuration management? So let's take an example. A telecom firm. So a telecom firm maintain a configuration management databases that include a relationship between components. So here components like routers. So this is used to automatically determine impact of failure. For example, if router goes down, the firm has immediate access to a list of impacted services and its customers. So the company calls to a customer and tell them, or a company send a message to send a SMS to a customers and inform them their service goes down before it typically notice. So it is kind of notice they are sending to inform that customers that service goes down. So large corporate customer appreciate this kind of services. So this is this maintained or this maintained by the configuration management. So what is orchestration? So for example, orchestrating application means not only the deploying the application but also connecting to the network. So it can be communicate with the users or other apps. Specifically, let's understand in the cloud example. So orchestration is often key to ensuring that automate the spin up activity like auto scaling take a place in a right order with the right security rules and permission in a place. So auto scaling is a best example to understand the orchestration. So this is all about the salt stack, and I hope you understand the salt stack. So let's understand the vulnerability. So these are the vulnerability. They last month in November 2020, last month in November 2020, last month, SaltStack officially disclosed two vulnerabilities: the CV16846 and the CV2020-25592. So CV 2020-25592 allows the arbitrary user to use the SSH module, and CV 2020-16846 allow user to execute the arbitrary command. So this is the chaining of two CVs, and these two vulnerabilities will allow unauthorized attacker to execute arbitrary command through a Salt API. So now let's go to the demo part. So you will get the better understanding. So let's move on to the demo part so you will get the better understanding. So here I have created this lab on my local machine, as well as I have created this lab on world machines for the premium user access. So here I am capturing this request and send to the repeater. So let's get interception off, send to the repeater and call this API via post method. So change with the post and adding the content type header and this command. So this is the request where I am going to add over here. So let's paste. As you can see, the SSH underscore PRIV is a vulnerable. So temporary folder exploited by RSG. Before that, let's clear this thing that there is no file exploited by RSG. So there is no file over here. So after sending this request, it will create a file over in the temporary folder exploited by RSG. So the file name is exploited by RSG. So don't be confused. So let's send this request first of all and check in the temporary folder whether it is created or not. So we got the 200 OK response, and let's check over here. So as you can see, exploit by RSG is created, and this is all about the vulnerability. I have created this lab on World Machines platform and converted into a task. So CVE task actually, and there are a lot of CVE tasks that help you to improve your knowledge, and already created a lot of web application security labs such as HTTP request smuggling, SQL injection, XSS, CORS, XSE, and many more. So check out this platform called World Machines, and if you share video POC with us for the task that you solve, and then you will get the surprise from the World Machines. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like, then share with your InfoSec friends and groups. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Don't stop. Keep learning. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.